Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to freeze both the first row and the first column in Microsoft Excel. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. So let's get right into it. First, you have to open your Microsoft Excel and open the document where you want to freeze the first row and the first column. Simply maximize the page for better view. And once you are in this page, simply go to the View tab in the top and simply select the first row and the first column. Otherwise, Excel only lets you freeze both at the same time if you do it in a certain way. So you can simply click on the B2 cell over here, as you can see, and that's the cell just below the first row and to the right of the first column. Now you can go back in the View tab and simply click on the freeze panes from the drop down bar, or simply click on this option over here. Once you have clicked it, this will freeze both the top and the left column together. As you can see, there are two options shown on the top of my screen. Even if I scroll, they are still visible when I am scrolling, and that's how you can freeze both the first row and the first column in Microsoft Excel. Super useful for navigating big spreadsheets. If this video helped you out, be sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any queries, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.